Your instructor can assign you to create a revision plan after you've received feedback on a draft from your instructor or peer reviewer. The revision plan is a place for you to make notes about how you will improve the next draft of your writing assignment. Think of your revision plan as a list of things you will try out as you revise, based on feedback you've received from your audience. Once you have gotten feedback on your writing, either from your instructor or from your peers, view the feedback by clicking View Feedback in the notification at the top, or by clicking the feedback link in the assignment timeline. Note that if you have already reviewed your feedback, the feedback link in the timeline will be inactive. You can go straight to the revision plan using the Create Revision Plan link, then click the button to view draft feedback. Feedback will be shown as different colored highlights within the draft, as well as overall comments at the bottom of the screen. The color coding will help you decide what to prioritize. Green is for positive feedback. Orange means needs improvement. Yellow is used for editing marks. Blue is for feedback with no level specified. Starting at the top of the paper, review each piece of feedback by clicking on it. The draft goal or editing mark that the feedback is associated with will be shown at the top. For example, this comment is about the thesis. Below the feedback are links to ebook pages on the same topic. You can click on these to read more about the topic. After reading the comment and the ebook pages on the topic, you can add a note to yourself explaining how you want to revise your writing based on this piece of feedback. Click the Add Note to Self button. Choose how you want to respond to the feedback. The first option allows you to note what changes you will make based on the feedback. The second option allows you to reject the feedback and explain your reasoning. When you're finished making your selection and note, click Done, and your note will be added to your revision plan. Repeat these steps as you review additional feedback. When you add a note to your revision plan based on feedback, that feedback will then have a check mark next to it. If you decide not to revise based on a certain piece of feedback, that feedback will have an X. There is also a place at the bottom of the paper for you to add revision plan tasks. When you're done adding notes based on feedback, or anytime you think of another note you want to add, click Review Revision Plan at the top right. Here you can see all of the notes you've made so far. Click Edit Notes to make changes to your notes or add a new note. You can reorder notes by clicking and dragging the handle or using the arrow buttons. Delete a note by clicking the trash can icon. Add a new note by clicking the Add Another Note link at the bottom. You can also associate your notes with a draft goal. When you're finished making your revision plan, click the green button at the top right to move to the next stage of the writing process. Once you start writing your next draft, the revision plan will appear on the right-hand side of the screen so you can use it as a checklist as you revise.